What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Aaron over at Valid Performance, and you guys already know I have been slacking. Yes, I have. This is good weekly update video. We missed last week, unfortunately. If only you guys knew how busy I have been these last 2 weeks. Extremely busy. So much has been going on here at the shop, between the cars, between all the work, between all the shows, everything. But we made it past H Day. 3 days of racing. We're going to have a bunch of content coming out from H Day, from test and tune the Friday before H Day. We have the car all finished up. I figured out the issues the car was having with the charging. I wired in the fans and the fuel pump, which I'll show you guys right now. Come over here. So I installed right down here a switch for the fans and for the fuel pump, and then my other switch over there for the ignition. And then we took it to H Day, and it did extremely well. We broke personal best every single time we hit the track. So with that being said, the car is doing well and it's performing. And that Mike just walked in halfway through it. All right, so before we jump into this next clip, the reason why I had a smudge on my face was because I stopped in the first video to do this brake job really quick, and I didn't realize how dirty I got. So go ahead and enjoy this whole clip with a big old smudge on my face. So after Mike walked in, right? So, the car did absolutely amazing for the 3 days that we went racing. Unfortunately, when I got back and I swapped the slicks to the street tires and I went to drive the car, we did some damage. I'm probably gonna make another video to go over and assess all the damage. I don't want to put too much in this video. I don't want to make this video too long. We did break a lot, and the car is more than likely going to be stored for the rest of the season, taken apart, redone, rebuilt, and come back better, stronger than ever. But a lot of y'all wondering, what happened to IFO? What about IFO? Well, let me stop you there. For IFO, we are going to be taking our K20 swapped EG hatch, which I'm going to start getting ready within the next week or two in order to have back on the road, so that we could take this one to IFO and do some racing still. We don't want to miss out on the races. Unfortunately, this one is going to be done only because I know what my goal with the car is, and I don't want to take it all apart, slap everything back together just to take it all apart again and do what I actually want to do to the car. I'd much rather just, I'm happy, I'm pretty happy with the amount of progress I made on it. I'm extremely happy with the amount of progress we made on our time slips. We did finally break into the 12-second club, which I'll show that pass on the end of this video. So, pretty good season, I would say, if I do say so myself. Excellent season. I bought a a switch panel for the car at H Day while we were there. Like I said, we're going to get this car ready, and then outside, let's take a step outside and we could introduce you guys to, I'm sorry about the mess, do not mind the mess. These are racing fuel. And then we have the new project right outside. Project RSX. This is my old RSX, which is why it probably looks familiar to a lot of you guys, but it is now going to be taken over by my nephew, who's going to be getting his license in December. So we're going to be doing a build on this, getting it ready, and swapping a lot of old original parts over to a lot of nice aftermarket parts, so that when he takes over the car, he won't have any issues with it. You guys already know how we like to do here over at the Valid Performance headquarters. Lewis has been going ham on his car as well. He picked up a couple more parts at H Day as well. This car unfortunately did not make it to H Day, but still looking fire as ever. Will definitely be at the next IFO event for sure, along with this one. And not much left. Sold the carbon fiber fenders, so you won't be seeing those on the car by the next video. Those are going to be completely gone. I just decided they were way too nice for my car. I didn't want to destroy them, so might as well get the money for them. Am I right? So, hope you guys enjoyed the update video. Hope to see you guys again at the next one.